How to fix Wi-Fi with CMD. So if you want to fix Wi-Fi with CMD on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your CMD. Search for CMD, right-click on your command prompt, go with Run as Administrator. And then it will ask you for your user account control. So you need to click on Yes, and then you will get this kind of interface. Now here you need to enter the command. So the first one is ipconfig /flush DNS. And now hit the enter. Once you've done that, once you hit the enter, it will say Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Once it says that, you need to go with the next command, which is ipconfig /, and now you need to enter release and then hit the enter. Once you do that, once you hit the enter, once the process is finished, you need to again go with the next command, which is ipconfig / renew. Once you type, you need to hit the enter again. And after that, just wait for a few seconds and then open up any browser that you're comfortable with. And then you can go with like youtube.com and try playing any videos, and it might fix your Wi-Fi connection. Or if you want to go deeper, or if you want to repair again, if you want the network reset, or if you want a fresh start, then you can again enter another command, which is netsh winsock reset, and then hit the enter. After that, you can just simply restart your device, or our last command will be netsh int ip reset, and then hit the enter. Once done, you can restart your device and it will fix your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.